Hello friends, myself Mohammad Siddiq. As we have already prepared ore model and waste model in our previous chapter, chapter number 7. So now for grade interpretation in our model, both the model in ore model and waste model, we require a sample file. Actually, sample file is a composite drill hole file. For grade interpretation in ore body model, we required a sample file of ore samples, and for grade interpretation in waste body model, we required a sample file for only sample of waste samples. So for preparing a sample file for ore body grade interpretation in ore body, we have to reduce the waste samples from the composite holes, and for preparing the waste body grade interpretation in waste body, we have to reduce the ore samples from the composite holes. First we will prepare a sample file for ore samples. Load the composite drill hole. Here we can see composite drill hole. Command for cut the waste bands from the composite drill hole will be cell WF. So we will type in command box cell WF and enter. Here this window will be open. In file we will give the composite drill hole. WTR and wire TR and wire PT. Wire TR we will take waste body because we are cutting the bore hole from the by the waste body. Waste body TR. In wire PT we will took waste body PT. In output file we can give the name holes underscores ores or other name. We can give other name also which we want. Now we will go to click it fields. In field parameter x will be x, we will took x, y will be y, z will be z. Now go to parameter. In parameter we will select actually in select field we will took 4 for outside a solid. Now click OK. So the output file which we have given the name holes underscore ore has been completed and comes in drill hole folder. Here we can check our output file. Load the file in design window. Took the 2-point command and click at both sides. Choose vertical. Here it's come in cross sectional view. Apply the clipping limit. Here we can see our bore hole displayed in cross sectional view. We can zoom our bore hole by command by typing ZX in design window. type a ZX for zoom in. Here we can see waistband has removed from here. So our ore sample file is now completed. We can check this by applying legend. Here we are applying our legends on drill hole. How the process for applying the legend, I have already a video prepared in chapter number 4. In legend box we can see our waistband's legend was in dark blue color, and we can see dark blue color is removed from the drill hole. So it is now prepared our whole sample for ore model estimation. Now we will repeat same process for preparing waste holes for waste model estimation, sample file for waste model estimation, and we will took the wire TR or body as a wire TR or body and wire PT or body PT for removing the ore samples or bands from the composite drill holes. So this is how we can prepare our ore samples borehole and waste samples borehole. For this samples borehole will be using in estimation for ore model and estimation in waste model. So for next chapter, in next chapter we will learn the estimation process. We will estimate our ore model and waste model.